In the name of Almighty Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. As Muhammad, peace be upon him, narrated, if anyone travels on a road in search of knowledge, Almighty Allah will cause him to travel on one of the roads of paradise. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Tariq Masood. Thank you very much for watching my videos and your wonderful support to make this channel a grand success. We are a family, a partner. Please subscribe and share our channel if you haven't done so far. We as a team can work together to convert challenges into opportunities and opportunities into success stories. These success stories can be monetized into value addition in the world by large. Thank you very much for your precious time. Okay, before my lecture, I used to read a Quranic verse. Qala Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli Allahumma Rabbi zidni ilma. O my Lord, open my chest and ease my task for me, and loose a knot from my tongue that they may understand my saying. Allahumma Rabbi zidni ilma, O Allah, advance me in my knowledge and true understanding. Okay, today I'm going to discuss my lecture number 32, oil and gas productions, exploration, production, upstream, midstream, refining, petrochemicals, differentiated performance, enabling profit optimization, lecture number 32. Oil and gas production. First, we have already discussed introduction, facilities and a process, reservoir and wellhead management system, upstream facilities management systems, midstream facilities management systems, refining facilities management systems, petrochemicals, and we have also completed its a recap. Now today we are going to discuss our utility systems, and it will take a couple of weeks, and then we'll discuss unconventional, conventional resources and environment effects. What is the ultimate goal? Shaping the clean and sustainable global energy delivery. Plan to deliver more than 300 lectures next couple of years. Okay, oil and gas production, utility system, lecture number 32. Process control mechanism, today we are going to discuss. Okay, key takeaway points from lecture number 30, utility systems, process control, function blocks, safety devices. Okay, what is a utility system basically? Utility system contains a various system that provide a utilities or support for the main process. Okay, a process control system is used to monitor a data and control equipment on the plant. A very small installation may use hydraulic or pneumatic control system, but large plants with up to 250,000 signals to and from the process requires a dedicated distributed control system. It's also known as DCS control system. The purpose of this system is to read values from a large number of sensors, run programs to monitor the process control valves, switches, etc. To control the process, values, alarm, reports, and other information are also presented to the operators and command input accepted. Okay, now if you can see here the process control mechanism here. So it demonstrates here that different devices are connected with a main bus bar system and then its distributed systems. If you can see here, this is my remote through RTU system, remote telemetry control systems, and this is my IO fields, input and output cards, this is my field bus here. So this is my electrical system, this is control devices and control and safety devices here. And this is my servers, and this is my operators consoles, operator station, and this is my engineering workstation to do some engineering work. Okay, so these are integrated in order to deliver the required result, that is called a process control system mechanism. Okay, process control schematic. As we have discussed in my earlier slide, first is field instrumentation, control devices, control executes, number of servers, clients, and communication. These all are linked to each other. Okay, first are field instrumentations, sensor and switches that sense process conditions such as temperature, pressure, flow. These are connected over signal and multiple pairs electrical cables hardwired or communication bus system called the field bus. Second is the control devices such as actuator or valves, electrical switchgear and drives or indicators are also hardwired or connected over a field bus. Number three, controllers execute the control algorithms so that the desired actions can be taken. The controls also generate events and alarms based on changes of the state and alarm condition and prepare data for operators and information system. Fourth is number of servers perform the data processing required for data presentations, historical archiving, alarm processing, and engineering changes. Okay. Number fifth, clients such as operator stations or operator console and engineering workstation are provided for a human interface to the control systems. Okay. Last, number six, the communication can be laid out in many different configurations, often including connected or connections to remote facilities, remote operations, support, and other similar environment. It's also linked with RTU systems, remote telemetry units, or to SCADA system to monitor the well production performances. Okay, function control blocks. Function control blocks constituted with different PLC, distributed control systems, and different control functions, and NAND, NOT, and NOR gates, PID proportion integral derivatives, pi integral derivatives, and PD proportion and derivatives. The main function of the control system is to make sure the production, processing, and utility system operates efficiently, effectively within a design constraint and allowed limits. The control system is typically specified in programs as a combination of logic and control function blocks, such as AND, NAND, NOR, add, and a PID control functions for a particular system. A library of standard solutions such as level control loops and motor control blocks are defined. This means that the system can be specified with a combination of typical loop templates consisting of one or more input devices, function blocks, and output devices. This allows much, if not all, of application to be defined based on the engineering database and workstation and templates rather than formal programming. The system is operated from central control room. It's also known as MCCR, with a combination of graphic process display alarm, lists, reports, and historical data calls. Smaller person screens are often used in combination with large screens, so it demonstrates how the system can happen. With modern system, the same information is available to remote locations such as onshore corporate operations support center, etc. Okay, field devices functionality. First is the EXP, pressurization proof. Second is the EXD, explosive proof. Third, EXI, intersectly safe. Zone 0, explosive hazard, zone 0. Zone 1, a risk of hydrocarbon. Zone 2, low risk of hydrocarbon and safe area. Okay, so field devices in the most process area must be protected to prevent them from becoming ignition source of potential hazard leaks. Equipment is explosive hazard classified, for example, a safe by pressurization EXP, safe by explosive proof, encapsulations that is EXD, or intersectly safe EXI. All areas are mapped into explosive hazard zones from zone 0 inside vessel and pipelines, zone 1 risk of hydrocarbon, and zone 2 low risk of hydrocarbon and safe area. Beyond the basic functionality, the control system can be used for more advanced control and optimization functions. Number 1, well controls may include automatic startup and shutdown of wells and or setup the wells. Application can include optimization and stabilization of artificial lift such as pump off control and a gas lift optimization process. Okay. Flow assurance ensures that the flow from wells and in pipelines and risers is stable and maximized under varying pressures from temperature and stable flow can result in slug formation, hadrons formation, etc. Okay. Next is the optimization of various processes to increase capacity or reduce energy cost. Number 4, a pipeline management modeling, leak detection and pig tracking and pigging operations. Number 5, support for remote operations in which facility data is available to company specialists located at center support. Number 6, support for remote operation where the entire facility is unmanned or without local operators, full or part-time, and is operated from a remote location. Thank you very much. It was my last slide. Okay, conclusion. Utility system we discussed a process control schematic, function control blocks, and safety devices. Okay, next topic, oil and gas production. My next is safety system and functional safety. Okay, references: Qatar Petroleum, Doha, Qatar; OGDC Pakistan, Oil and Gas Development Corporation Limited, Pakistan; World Energy Outlook 2013. Number 4, US Geological Survey, US Department of Energy; Schellenberger's Oilfield Glossary, International Energy Agency; Wikipedia, Oklahoma State Marginal Well Commissioning Pumpers Manual, State Oil Fact Sheets; Norsex Standard Norway, The Story of Oil in Pennsylvania, Year Liquid Gas Encyclopedia, Natural Gas from Wellhead to Burning Tip. Together, everyone achieve more. Please do not hesitate to send me your input feedback at t.masood.dr@both.edu. I have also provided my WhatsApp number. Please send me your input on my WhatsApp. Thank you very much for your precious time. Please stay safe, stay at home, inspired and blessed. Thank you very much.